In a significant development that has captured the attention of the motorcycle community, Yamaha has officially introduced the 2025 YB125SP, a model that has generated considerable anticipation among enthusiasts. Regarded as one of the industry's best-kept secrets, the YB125SP integrates advanced technology with Yamaha's esteemed legacy of performance and reliability, positioning it as a formidable candidate within the entry-level motorcycle segment. Upon initial observation, the newly designed YB125SP commands attention with its contemporary aesthetics, which effectively balance form and function. The assertive front fairing, sharp LED headlights, and vibrant color options contribute to a distinguished appearance that garners respect on any roadway. Beneath its sophisticated exterior is a lightweight yet durable chassis engineered to optimize agility and comfort, addressing the needs of both novice riders and experienced motorcyclists. Powered by a re-engineered 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the YB125SP offers an exhilarating riding experience characterized by enhanced torque and fuel efficiency. Yamaha's dedication to sustainability is evident through the incorporation of innovative technologies that effectively reduce emissions while maintaining high-performance standards. Paired with a seamless 5-speed transmission, this motorcycle provides remarkable acceleration and stability, making it an excellent choice for urban commuting as well as weekend excursions. The YB125SP is equipped with a range of advanced features designed to elevate the rider's experience. Its digital instrument panel delivers real-time information on speed, fuel consumption, and trip data, fostering an intuitive interface suitable for riders of all experience levels. Furthermore, the bike's suspension system has been meticulously calibrated to handle diverse terrains, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride whether navigating winding country roads or bustling city streets. Safety considerations are paramount in this comprehensive package. The integration of dual-channel ABS enhances braking performance, instilling confidence in riders as they maneuver through traffic or ascend challenging inclines. Coupled with ergonomically designed seating and controls, the YB125SP prioritizes rider comfort, positioning it as an ideal option for long-distance travel. Industry analysts have suggested that the upcoming launch of the YB125SP may signify a significant shift in Yamaha's strategy, indicating the company's re-emergence in the competitive motorcycle sector. This latest model positions Yamaha to reclaim its leadership in the entry-level motorcycle market, targeting a new generation of riders who value both aesthetics and functionality. The YB125SP is anticipated to arrive at dealerships in early 2025, and anticipation among enthusiasts is building as they look forward to what many are forecasting as the motorcycle of the year. With a harmonious combination of innovative features, compelling design, and exceptional performance, the 2025 Yamaha YB125SP is poised to establish new benchmarks for entry-level motorcycles. We will continue to monitor the developments leading up to the official launch of the YB125SP and prepare for what is expected to be a transformative moment in the motorcycle industry.